I want you to welcome you to the flight and also wish you an important day. Today is the Freedom Day. I wish you all the best and enjoy a moment of being free in South Africa, and everybody's right is equal to each other, and everybody's race is welcome because we are in a recognition country. Everybody's welcome. Can you love each other and enjoy the most historic moment in African continent, South Africa. Thank you very much. I'm saying this as a president of the Bringa Nation since the president is I am in charge. Can you give me the round of applause, guys? I am in charge. The president is sick, he's in charge. Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Can we get free drinks?
No, DJ now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, what? Yeah, I know you. Hey,